all moves front facing and relatively straightforward. So the way we are going to dial the intensity up or down is by increasing or reducing the pace. So let's get started. Before we get started, as you know, a good warm-up, the right pair of footwear and pull down and stretches are really important to avoid injuries. So if you're not in your comfortable walking shoes, please hit pause, lace up, and join me on this fun walk. Alright, so let's start by warming up. Today when we're doing our marches in place, sometimes instead of just doing the straight march, we'll also mix it in with out, out, in, out, out, in. So let's warm up. Let's take a few deep breaths. Let's do some side taps. And let's get ready for our first move. This move is something I actually frequently do while watching TV and even while waiting at the traffic light. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do the side step, but we're going to go side step forward and then we're going to go side step back. Alright, so side step forward, side step back. If you like, add in your arms. As always, this is your time, so you do you. Decide the pace and intensity of the walk. Take a break when you need. If you love a move, repeat it when you like. If a move is not working for you today, please feel free to skip it. Let's pick up the pace a little bit if you like. Let's do 2 more times before we meet in our march. Last move and last time, and then let's meet back in our march. So you could be marching this way or out, out, in. And if you like, feel free to jog in place, run in place. Whatever works for you today. For our next move, we're going to do something different. So let's start with front taps. And once you have the rhythm, let's try and add arm punches. So it could look something like this. If you don't want to punch, feel free to take your arms up or out. I think I switched the hand I was moving, but that's all right. Let's do 3 more. 2, 1. Let's meet back in a march. For our next move, let's do modified skaters. So you take the first foot out, take the next foot behind it, kind of like in a curtsy without bending, and then you lead with the other side and you do the same move. Feel free to adjust the length of the stride or to add in a hop. Decide what arm move is working for you today. Let's do 3 more. 2, 1. Let's meet back in a march. For our next move, let's do some heel dips with or without bicep curls. So it's going to look something like this. This is a heel dip and this is a heel dip with a bicep curl. I hope you're having fun. I'm loving it. At the end of the video, do let me in the comments. What are you watching on TV these days? Let's do 3 more on each side. 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. So let's repeat the 4 moves we did one more time before we cool down. So let's start with step, touch, forward, step, touch, back. Now, because we know the moves, if you like, pick up the pace a little bit. Let's do one more and then we'll meet back in our march. Alright, let's meet back in our march. Our next move is front taps with punches. Think of somebody you feel like punching today. If you miss a step, no big deal. Let's do 3 more. 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. Our next move is skaters. Oops, sorry, I forgot to give you guys a heads up. So let's do 3 more and then meet back in our march. 2, 1. Alright, our final move of this set, and we'll throw in a surprise before we cool down. So our final move is heel digs with or without bicep curls. So when you're ready, join me. If you like, for any arm moves, feel free to add dumbbells, back water bottles, pasta boxes, anything you like. Get creative. Just make sure you're carrying the same weight in both your arms. Let's do 3 more. 2, 1. I'm sorry, I think I did an extra one. Let's meet back in March. Now, for our bonus move today, how about we do out, in, star formation. So it will look something like this. Out, 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 in, out, in, out, in. 2 more. Oopsie, sorry. Out, in, out, in. Welcome to your cool down. So let's start by doing some shoulder rolls. Let's do it in the other direction. Let's do some arm stretches. Let's do some calf stretches. Let's do some hamstring stretches if need be. Please feel free to use a chair or wall for support. If you lose your balance, no big deal. Just hit reset and finish up the stretch. In this video here, I share another 10-minute walk at home, and I would love it if you walk with me today, if you're on a roll, or come back and walk anytime. And in this video here, I share a proven 5-step plan to help you succeed in living healthier. talking with me today.